Are you happy about this Grand Prix?
Yeah, riding was really good, but didn't have the luck in the second moto. Came together with another rider, and our bikes somehow stuck together. My foot back on his front wheel, so I lose like 30 seconds just to get the bikes out. But then, yeah, the riding was really good. Came from that last to 14. Speed was there, but yeah, some bad luck.
Yeah.
But the feeling was good. Yeah, it was 8, not the best, because we're really close together, and I started around 10. So yeah, if I would start more to the front, I think I could be more to the front, but it was a good race.
Dans le top 10, aux essais, au chrono, en manche qualif et au warm-up, Jan Pancar s'est régalé sur cette piste.
What is your opinion about Herne track?
Yeah, it was really nice. The soil was like loamy, big ruts, so really fun to ride, and I really like to be here.